Alright, so go to hackerrank.com in your browser. This is the front page. Click sign up and code for developers. Alright, so go ahead and type in your first and last name. Mine is Tash Gordon. Um, your email and a valid password. Then go ahead and click create an account. Alright, so you're logged in to this screen. On the following screen you may change your username and choose your preferred language. So you could go here, you could click on this button right here that the cursor is hovering over and change your username, and here you choose your preferred programming language, which would be Python 3 because that's the language that is used in COM 1126 and 1127. The username you enter will be displayed on all other Hackerrank participants on the leaderboard along with your score. You are also required to use the same username for the length of the course, so keep that in mind. To change your username, just click on this button right here, backspace, backspace. It's going to be Tajilu. Click take it, and that's how you change your username. Then click on Python 3. Alright, so you will then be given your first challenge as an introductory challenge to help you get familiar with the Hackerrank coding environment. Okay, so the actual challenges you will be undertaking for the University of the West Indies computing courses will be much longer, and therefore the section to enter your code will not be on the right as you can see here. It will not be on the right here, but at the end of the page, so you'll have to scroll down to enter your code, but that's when you start doing the actual occurrence for the course. For the initial challenge, read the instructions and enter your code in the code section on the right. See it right here. So enter your appropriate code to complete the function solve me first. Alright, so there a new line was entered, return A plus B in the function solve me first. You can then go ahead and click run code. So it is processing at the moment. Alright, so after it has processed and your solution is correct, you see congrats, you just solved your first challenge. Cool. So click continue. Are you a student or professional? You're a student. Put your graduation year. Proceed to the dashboard. Then now you'll be shown the dashboard where you can choose to practice, compete, the jobs, the leaderboard. So that was for how you sign up for Hackerrank. Now you're going to go into how you sign up for an actual Hackerrank challenge for the course. Okay, so when you're doing your courses now, you will get an appropriate URL. This is an example of a coding challenge in the COM 1126 course. So you can go ahead and click on sign up. Okay, depending on the situation, since I'm already logged into Hackerrank, the challenge will just appear. So this is the first challenge, easy average 1. So if the login page appears, then just log into your current account with the email that you used and the password, and it will take you to this page. Now you're ready to take the challenge. Click on the name of the challenge right here, or you can click on solve challenge. Read through the problem. Alright, so read through the problem, including the input format, the input format, the constraints, the output format, the sample input, and the explanation. They're all important as it relates to solving the problem. They will help a lot. So in this case, you should enter your code here. Write your code here. It's there. I'm going to enter some code. Okay. Return A plus B minus C. Cool. So first thing you do after you have after you have finished written your code, click run code so that it can be tested against all the other test cases. So right here, I have entered the wrong code. So I failed all the three test cases. Your code did not pass this test case. So what you have to do is go back in the code, enter the correct code, and once you have passed all the test cases, it would say, congratulations, you have passed the sample test case. And once you have passed all the test cases, then you're ready to submit your code, and then just click submit code to have your program run against the graded cases. Then you would be finished with your Hackerrank coding challenge. All the best with all your courses, and have a wonderful time at the University of the West Indies.